7 animals that can live after death. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about 7 animals that can live after death. People have contemplated immortality for centuries, yet it seems like animals have taken care of that problem better by far. They rarely reach their maximum age because of infant mortality, diseases, predators, bad weather, habitat destruction, or competition for food and shelter. Today, we'll explain this in the video in 7 animals that can live after the death. Starting off at number 7, flatworms. Planarians are flatworms in the Turbellaria class. This common name describes a wide range of free-living platyhelminths, though it usually refers to flatworms of the order Tricladidae. Planaria lives in freshwater and saltwater ponds as well as rivers and streams. Several species live on or in land under logs, on plants, or in the soil in humid environments. Master regenerators are flatworms and planarians. Whenever a part of their body is cut off, the head grows a tail and the tail grows a head to cut the head into 20 pieces, creating 20 new worms, each a replica of the first. Number 6, snakes. Snakes dig into their surroundings by flicking their tongues, and they also have forked tongues. They can use that to detect danger or food. Every month, snakes shed their skin, known as ecdysis. However, the truth is that snakes' heads still contain deadly poison sacs and fangs and are capable of biting you and delivering deadly venom. While it is no longer attached to the rest of its body, the snake still has heat-sensitive pits both on either side of its face, which are capable of detecting threats even if the snake is dead. Because it can detect threats after death, it will continue to defend itself. Number 5, flies. Immediately after death, they are drawn to corpses. As a rule, the eggs are laid in a wound or natural orifice of the corpse, if a wound is present. Perhaps you have seen David Blaine resurrect dead flies by touching them, and it's not because the magician has magical abilities. Flies can survive freezing temperatures and enter some kind of suspended animation. As the insect thaws, David's body heat helps to thaw the fly. Once the fly is fully thawed, the fly flies off. Take an upright stance similar to that of a normal fly and can engage in complex behaviors such as flying and walking under duress. But the most impressive thing is that males will court to capitated females that are right chop off a female fly head and not many changes. Number 4, frogs. Frogs that are partially frozen will still breathe and their hearts will stop beating. However, it is still alive even if it appears to be dead. A hibernaculum will thaw the frog's frozen body when the temperature rises above freezing at the end of winter, which will restart its heart and lungs. It behaves just like a frog with its green matter intact on its back. If you turn it upside down in the water, it will swim to the side and climb out. And perhaps most disturbing of it all, it'll even croak intently if you stroke its back. Number 3, salamanders. It is commonly thought that salamanders resemble lizards and frogs. Their skin is smooth and moist like that of frogs, and their tails are long. Occasionally, the term newt is used for salamanders that spend most of the year on land. When spotted, salamander larvae feed on insects, small crustaceans, and other aquatic invertebrates, and they are known as spotted salamander larvae. On the forest floor, adults use a sticky tongue to catch earthworms, snails, spiders, centipedes, and other invertebrates. This animal has long been associated with long life and immortality. Even those who believe in magic are fascinated by the amazing regenerative powers of salamanders, believing that they can regenerate any part of their body that has been cut off. Number 2, octopuses are fascinating creatures with incredible problem-solving skills and amazing camouflage. However, most of them last just a year or two. An octopus's nerve cells can be found not in the brain where you expect them to be, but in its tentacles, and its arms still respond to stimuli even if the main brain is separated from them. Although the octopus is long dead and the arms have suffered damage, the movements can continue for up to a week after its death. Many bending in a contrived hip joint toward the top can then occur. And topping our list at number 1, when it comes to chickens, there is some truth to the expression running around like a headless chicken after all. Any farmers you ask will tell you chickens can still run around with their heads cut off for a very simple reason, and it's not because they're zombies. There was one case, however, in which a chicken survived 18 months without its head. Not only will it still move, it will also sometimes breathe even though it eventually will starve to death. And so with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. What do you think about the 7 animals that can live after death? Let us know your views in the comment section below, and until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this. Also, if you're not a subscriber yet, then do it now, otherwise you will miss out. See you soon and goodbye.